students, welcome to class.
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how. Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
We are here at the opening of a premiere of this video where I went to McDonald's and I walked around outside in the middle of the night at 2:30 in the morning because I couldn't sleep. So right now the premiere is beginning in 40 minutes and we have the comment section going here, and because every once in a while I want to be able to respond to you, I come here and I do turn on my camera and just respond the best that I can because it goes too fast sometimes for me to type. Now I slowed down the responses to every 20 seconds, so it's a lot more manageable now. It's a lot slower. So I want to thank you, Devin, Vegan Illinois 27, for being here and putting all these beautiful emojis here. And I'm going to let people know that I am filming this comment section right now. If you have questions, feel free to ask me anything. Here we go.
Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Eating eggs is so last century, nobody needs to, so here's what you do. Mash tofu, green onions, and celery in a pan. Add black salt, turmeric, and spices, yes you can. Mix in some vegan mayo, mix in some vegan mayo. Now mix in a salty pickle, yeah, that's the way to go. Oh, ooh. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. The egg industry's just a cycle of misery. Let's make the animal holocaust history. Tofu scramble, it's so easy to do, woo-hoo. Learn how to make it, cause saving animals will make them happy and will make you happy too.
I'll get that there. And let's have a look at what we got. It takes 100 clicks to be vegan. Hopefully you all learned something here today. Thank you, Lindsay Ray, for writing that. I appreciate that. And somebody says, I think they should be vegan right now. I think you mean I think I should be. Yes, and you should. That's a great thing. Here's somebody writes, the animals don't deserve it. They don't deserve to be harmed. You're right. Thank you for being here.
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open that vegan door.
Hi, vegan teacher. I find your videos very informative and interesting. Thank you for caring about our planet. So I'm going to say to this person, thank you for being here. And the name is King Seb. So thank you for being vegan fantastic, which means that this person is an ally to vegans. This person might not be vegan yet, but being vegan fantastic means that you're kind to animal rights activists. And let's see, we have here Ryan, Vegan Canada 27. You're an inspiration, vegan teacher. Thank you for opening my eyes. Thank you for being here, Ryan. Watch the documentaries on Netflix. Thank you, Anakin, for saying that. The documentaries are very important. One of them is called Dominion. You can go to watchdominion.com. Watchdominion.com is one of them. And Rory says that vegan fantastic isn't a real word, even though, Rory, you spelt it perfectly. Thank you.
Go vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile. It's something you should buy.
Only the best vegan, Miss Katie. Thank you. We are the meat people. Okay, well, I don't know why you're here if you're a meat person. Why don't you just Maybe I won't hide you on the channel. No, I won't do that. But I will, oh my goodness, I made you a moderator. That's too funny. Let's undo that. Remove moderator status. That was an accident. And I'm going to put this person in timeout. Put user in timeout. Okay, you just think about that. Maybe you don't belong here. If you're not ready to be vegan, then, you know, come back when you are ready. We're all at different levels.
And speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism, be kind to the animals. And veganphobia, and veganphobia, and veganphobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah!
Okay, speciesism is the first form of racism. Sadly, it's taught at a young age. Veganphobia, like racism and homophobia, is also wrong. Be vegan fantastic instead. So put that there. And we've got some other comments here. It's wrong to rape, enslave, confine, torture, or eat animals for taste pleasure, or because you like to hear them scream in agony. Sensory pleasure is no excuse for animal abuse. Let that one go.
La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. Yeah.
And this person is saying that we should eat the victims. So let's put this person in timeout too. Okay, I have a question. If Jesus loves vegans so much, why do Christians eat his guts and blood every day? And the answer is real Christians don't harm animals. This is held for review. Can I please have the mod status? Well, Anakin, no, you can't. You cannot be a moderator until you teach vegan facts and you wear the uniform. And the uniform consists of wearing, writing your name in such a way that it is easy for me to tell that you're serious. Let me see if I have somewhere here a way for you to be able to wear the uniform is when you write your name in such a way like this. I'll just show you, I'm just copying and pasting here something that I have pre-made. There you go. Hope this helps. Okay. Thank you for being here.
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Who asked you to still be on this platform? That's a strange thing to write. It's my own channel. You don't have to be here though if you don't want to. I know you have mentioned a Discord server, but I think it would be awesome to set up a vegan community. Well, Ryan, I do have a Discord channel, but I never go there. I simply don't have time because I'm too busy creating new content, and that is my main purpose. It's not to talk too much to each individual person because I just don't have the time for that, but rather I'm here to educate larger groups. But feel free to start your own channel, and there are many of them there already where lots of people are chit-chatting. Okay. All Coco Melon did was take care of the sheep, says Toka. Oh, you're talking about a video that I did in the past where I said that Coco Melon TV show for kids isn't really the most appropriate thing. Yeah, because I think it's not really necessary to watch these channels where the kids are singing about eating cheese and things like that. You know, there's better things for children because we don't want to indoctrinate them into a life of carnism. We want to teach them that animals are sentient beings who we should be kind to. So I'm just here educating. A sign that we are herbivores is that we grind our food from side to side in our mouths. We don't gulp it down in massive chunks like wolves do.
Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be loved, be vegan.
A sign that we are herbivores is that we have short, flat teeth, not big canines. We cannot grab prey with our tiny mouths and tiny teeth, not like lions or wolves. Somebody has a new song for me. Okay, that's fine. You can write whatever songs you want. And somebody says they hunt deer, and I'm sorry that you do that. I'm sorry that you're brought up in a home where people hurt animals. That's pretty sad. Not sure what to say here. Can somebody answer my question, says Julian. I'm not sure what your question was, sweetheart. You have to ask it again. Sometimes things go by too quick and I can't see it in time. A sign that we are herbivores is that we have a very long digestive tract, not a short one like lions do. Ours is perfectly formed to digest plants.
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
Could you make a document with a bunch of vegan facts? So copy and paste vegan facts that I post here. Whoops. Here. Keep them in your computer so you are ready to paste them here during premieres. Yeah, during premieres. There we go. We are against shaving wool off sheep. They need to, because they leave it on for long expressively the summer, they can die. Okay, so what you're saying is that you think that we should be shaving the sheep, and what we should be doing is not breeding them into existence in the first place. The reason that we started breeding sheep is because we wanted to use them as commodities.
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan. Pigs are friends, not food, not bacon, sausage, or ham. Eat peanut butter, banana, and dance to this vegan gem. Don't eat chickens, cows, cats, or dogs, or even a single lamb. Happy Vegan Declaration Day.
So it's best not to create them in the first place. Leave them alone. Don't eat them. Don't wear their wool. Just leave them alone. A sign that we are herbivores is that we don't salivate when we see an injured cat, an injured or dead cat, dog, raccoon, or deer on the road. Instead, we feel sad. Beans, tofu, legumes, seitan are all awesome sources of protein. Yes, animal advocacy. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. Thank you for teaching vegan facts here. Great. What else do we have here? I have some more. A sign that we are herbivores is that we don't have retractable claws. We have hands the perfect size to grab nuts, dates, apples, and other plants. Black bean burgers. Yes, Lindsay Ray, you're right. Black bean burgers are a great thing to eat. Thank you for saying that. Now, often a carnist will say something like, but lions eat animals, so why can't I? And the response from the vegan is, well, you aren't a lion. Lions don't have a choice. You do. Lions also sniff each other's asses when they greet one another. Do you do that too?
Jesus is vegan now and God is too. If you want to get to heaven, you better be vegan too. Fuck milk, cheese, eggs, or any kind of meat. Buy broccoli, tofu, and vegan foods to eat. God wants us to be kind to the animals, or it's true, you risk getting roasted on the devil's barbecue.
right. So thank you for being here. I think you got a general idea of what it's like during a premiere, behind the scenes. I'm just here educating people as much as I can. And thank you for everybody who's been here. Thank you for teaching vegan facts. And if you like this kind of video, or you like to see me challenging non-vegans or encouraging vegans, or checking out different Facebook groups such as What Broke Vegans Eat and things like that, definitely subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell, help us get these animals out of hell. And I want to thank you again for all of you for being here. If you haven't yet seen this video, you can watch it right after. It's where I went to McDonald's in the middle of the night, and I'm talking about what I see there, what I experience.
Go vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile, it's something you should buy.
So coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos very soon. Feel free to click on those. Have a look around. There's over 1,600 videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my TikTok channel, you can go ahead and try and find that. My present channel right now has close to 500,000 followers. It's getting there. It'll probably get there maybe in a couple of months or a month or so, but it has, I think it's 440,000 right now. I'm not sure. It was 443, I forget. Anyway, so yeah, go ahead and find that. It's called Music by That Vegan Teacher.
I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food. I'm always in the mood to save animals and eat delicious vegan food.
And here's another thing a carnist might say about wolves eat animals, so why can't I? Vegan. Well, you aren't a wolf. Wolves don't have a choice. You do. Wolves also sleep outside in the snow without pajamas. Do you want to do that too? There you go. Okay. All right, so thank you everybody for being here. I'll let you go now. I'm going to get back to the comments. Bye.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.